Shoot 7. Idaho man for the Idaho fans, and if there's not enough of them, we just adopt him and tell you he comes from Brawley out here today. That'll work. Every cowboy that's with us is from Brawley today. Every fan is from Brawley, no matter where you're from. Come on. Come on. Easy, boys. The hand in that handhold is hung up when you come off of that offside. All right, I'm going to tell you something. And there are bumps and there are bruises involved in this game, and you get your hand hung up. I sit here and I tell you how great these pickup men are. You don't realize when they move in there, they get a hold of that horse and settle him down. Then our bullfighter jumps right in the middle of it as well. How about it for the heroes in that?